Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, rear corner covers, base enclosure, wireless module, solid-state drive, fan, and system board. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel, wireless antenna, and speaker cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the left speaker. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the right speaker. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Important! Make note of the position of the left speaker tab under the power button board. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the top cover. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the right speaker. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the left speaker.